Welcome to One Travel Maker, your gateway to the most thrilling travel destinations around the globe. Today, we're diving into the pulsating heart of Phuket's nightlife, where the party never stops. Join us on an unforgettable walking tour of Bangla Road, where every step is an adventure. From dazzling neon lights to mesmerizing street performances, discover with us why this road is the epicenter of fun after sundown. Not so long ago, Bangla Road was just another street in Phuket, known more for its proximity to the beach than for nightlife. But as the sun sets, this unassuming road undergoes a remarkable transformation. By nightfall, the road closes to vehicular traffic, becoming a pedestrian's paradise. It's as if the very heartbeat of the island sinks to the rhythm of the music and lights that adorn this lively stretch. Here, neon signs light up the sky, music fills the air, and every corner promises a new kind of adventure. Bangla Road's metamorphosis from a quiet street to Phuket's nightlife capital is a story of evolution. It reflects not just a change in the physical landscape, but a vibrant expression of Thai hospitality and the island's open embrace of visitors from around the world. This transformation is a testament to the spirit of Phuket, a place that knows how to celebrate life every single night. As we walk through this electrifying atmosphere, remember, Bangla Road wasn't always the nightlife mecca it is today. It's a story of growth, of change, and of a destination's ability to reinvent itself while welcoming the world to partake in its joy. As we dive deeper into the heart of Phuket's night scene, Bangla Road beckons with its myriad of experiences, each promising its own unique flavor of fun. Here, every step leads to a new discovery, from pulsating nightclubs to cozy bars, each with a story to tell. Among the must-visit spots are the legendary nightclubs and bars, each boasting their unique ambiance. Imagine sipping on a signature cocktail, perhaps a Phuket fantasy, under neon lights while the latest hits play in the background. It's not just a drink, it's an experience, a taste of the island's spirited nightlife. But Bangla Road's allure isn't confined to its indoor venues. The street itself is a live stage, where music and performance art come alive. From talented musicians strumming local tunes to street performers captivating audiences with their artistry, the road thrums with energy and talent. And when hunger strikes, Bangla Road offers a culinary adventure as vibrant as its nightlife. The street food here is a must-try, offering everything from savory skewers to sweet treats. Each bite is a burst of local flavors, a delicious way to immerse yourself in Thai culture. Shopping enthusiasts, fear not. The road is lined with shops and stalls offering souvenirs, fashion, and unique finds. Whether you're looking for a keepsake to remember your Phuket adventure or a gift for someone special, you'll find it here. As you can see, Bangla Road is more than just a destination, it's an experience. From the electrifying energy of its nightclubs and bars to the captivating street performances and the tantalizing street food, every moment here is a celebration of life. So, dive in, explore, and let the vibrant spirit of Bangla Road take you on an unforgettable journey. As we immerse ourselves in the vibrant energy of Bangla Road, it's impossible not to feel the pulse of Thai culture's open and fun-loving spirit. This bustling street is more than just a destination. It's a vivid reflection of Thailand's warm hospitality and the joyous essence of its people. Here, every smile, every greeting, and every shared moment tells a story of a culture built on kindness and openness. The friendly interactions between locals and visitors are a testament to Thailand's reputation as the land of smiles. It's a place where cultures converge, friendships are formed, and the sense of community is palpable. Bangla Road, with its lively atmosphere, acts as a melting pot of cultures, where the Thai tradition of Sanuk, or the pursuit of fun and enjoyment, is evident in every corner. It's here that the essence of Thai hospitality shines brightest, inviting all who visit to partake in the celebration of life that defines this magnificent country. This road serves as a vibrant stage where the fun-loving side of Thai culture is not just observed, but lived. Amidst the laughter, music, and dance, a beautiful cultural exchange unfolds, bridging gaps and bringing people closer, regardless of where they come from. In the heart of Phuket, Bangla Road stands as a beacon of Thailand's cultural richness and its open-hearted invitation to the world. It's a place where joy is shared openly, friendships are easily made, and the essence of Thai culture is experienced in its most authentic and exhilarating form. As we immerse ourselves in the vibrant energy of Bangla Road, it's essential to remember that a great night out is a safe one. So, let's go through some quick safety tips to keep in mind while enjoying Phuket's legendary nightlife. First and foremost, always keep an eye on your personal belongings. The excitement of the night can easily distract us, but a moment's care can prevent unwanted surprises. Consider using a money belt or a cross-body bag that stays securely with you at all times. Staying in groups is not just more fun, it's also safer. There's truth in the saying, there's safety in numbers. Whether you're exploring the nightclubs or enjoying the street food, having friends around ensures you look out for each other. Be mindful of your drink. Enjoy the nightlife's offerings, but always watch your drink being made and keep it within sight. It's a simple step that goes a long way in ensuring your night is memorable for all the right reasons. And lastly, while Bangla Road is welcoming and generally safe, it's wise to stay aware of your surroundings. If you're unsure about where you are or how to get back to your accommodation, don't hesitate to ask for directions from a reliable source, like a staff member at a bar or restaurant. Bangla Road's vibrant nightlife is an experience like no other, offering fun, excitement, and memories to last a lifetime. By keeping these simple safety tips in mind, you ensure that your night out is not only enjoyable, but also safe. So go ahead, explore Bangla Road, and let the night be your canvas. As our journey through the electric avenues of Bangla Road comes to a close, it's undeniable that this vibrant street stands as the pulsating heart of Phuket's night scene. Every corner turned and every step taken unveils a new layer of excitement, from the rhythm of the dance floors to the rich tapestry of local flavors and the ever-present hum of conversation and laughter under the open sky. Bangla Road is more than just a destination. It's a celebration of life, a place where memories are made under the glow of neon lights and starry skies. Whether you're here to lose yourself in the music, indulge in the culinary delights, or simply to bask in the vibrant atmosphere, Bangla Road promises an adventure that's as unforgettable as it is exhilarating. And so, with hearts full of adventure and stories waiting to be told, we bid farewell to Bangla Road, but not to the spirit it embodies. If you've enjoyed this journey with us, please leave a like, subscribe to One Travel Maker, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our next adventure. Together, there's so much more of the world to explore, and we can't wait to share it all with you. Thank you for walking this road with us. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and see you again on One Travel Maker. Good night and safe travels.